Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix USB swing 2 drives on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So as you can see, here is my USB type which is showing 2 drives over here. So firstly, you just need to back up each and every folder from your pen drive, means USB drive, to your computer. Okay. After backup, just follow my steps. So I will minimize this window. Now I will go to my start menu, type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that, you just need to click on yes. Now here on this window, we just need to type over here Diskpart. Okay, now press enter, and as you can see, this part is showing over here. So now what you have to do, you just need to type this command which is called list disk. Now here is my USB drive which is disk3. Okay. So if you have any confusion, then you can right click on your start menu, go to disk management, and here if you'll maximize your window, as you can see, here is my disk 3 which is my USB drive is showing over here. So now I will close this window. Now I will type the command is called select disk 3. So disk number is 3. So I will type over here 3. Now press enter. Okay. So now is disk is selected. Now I will type the command is called clean. So after that, press enter. Now it will take some time. So as you can see, Diskpart success in cleaning the disk. Okay. Now I will type the command is called create partition to create partition primary. Okay. Now press enter. As you can see, it is done successfully. So now you just need to type this command which is called list volume. Okay. Now here is my removable USB drive, as you can see. So I will select this volume. So the command is called select volume 7. The volume is selected, as you can see. Now I will type the command is called format fs means file system equals to, you can type over FAT32, or you can type NTFS. So I need NTFS file system. So I will type over here NTFS. Now space quick. Now it will take some time, so you have to wait for a few seconds or minutes. So after done, you just need to type the command is called active, then assign. Okay, after that, you can, if you'll go to your my computer, as you can see, my USB drive is showing over here. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys for the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.